we are going to create another nice business card with a white background and some dark blue color and some orange. I think when we are done, we will see what we are creating. Just follow it with a lot of attention and follow every step of the way so we can now accomplish it together. And if it's time for you to practice and at least repeat what has been done, you can easily do it. Now let's begin. I usually begin with double clicking on my rectangle tool, giving it a white background. Then get rid of the outline. Now I press A plus to duplicate it. So I duplicate it here and give it a color of click on the kept tool and then press Ctrl Q to now I double click here to shape it to give it a shape. Then I'll press on it, right click, power clip inside. Then I'll come to this first layer and right click on it, power clip. That is the trick for. You can do it in different ways, but I think this is the simplest way of doing it. What I want to do is that I will duplicate it again. Now I'll bring this color, this up a bit. This is the up color. Sorry. Let me. I'll give this a different color here. And drag this, reduce the size by dragging it down here. this, press change the color, then make sure that I change all these colors one after the other. Or I can hold shift, select all of them, select them, and then press here to change the color at once. Now I bring it here. Instead this time around. So I double click here, then I get rid of the outline here. So from here I duplicate this and then squeeze it, reduce the size to a smaller one, then reshape it. Now I give it this color and then press on the key to Ctrl Q to activate it. Now I have this. What do you think I want to do? I will just add this color to it, reduce the size a bit, then power clip it. So power clip, and as usual I said you will press here too. Now I have to, I want to duplicate, so I will go here and press the plus key. Then I'll press this. Then I finish the editing. Now I'll go for the logo and give the logo. Here, the logo will be resting here. I will need to increase this one a bit. Not because of anything, but the white space seems so big, and I have to increase it a little bit. Yeah. So I'm done. I increase the size a bit, and then reposition it at the center. Go here, double click on it, the rectangle to press B, get rid of the outline and then export it. Control E for exporting it. Or you can go to File, Export, which I'm going to do it in the second one. So I will double click on the rectangle to press one, get rid of the outline, then go to File, Export. If I use the same name BC48, it's going to rewrite, or let me say, get rid of the first one. So we will modify this name a bit to make it unique so that it doesn't overwrite the previous one. I didn't give it a background. I'm sorry. I have to go. I just give it white background and then export again. This 40 back. So this is the front side of it, and it's a beautiful business card, and this is what we have created. This is the back side of it, and very clean and beautiful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share the channel so that we can all be motivated to come out with more beautiful videos. We count on your assistance to grow this channel and make it more content rich so that we can help change people's life. Thank you very much.